Hi, my name is Himanshu Agrawal, and in this particular video, I'll tell about why your consulting business is not able to grow, right? And I totally understand where you are coming from. There are many things that you need to focus on, but in less than 8 months, I was able to build my consulting business to 6 figures, and I can help you do so. Like, believe me, right? So, when I was building my consulting business, the only 5 things that were revolving in my mind were the basic things that you need to have in your business so that you can get to the next level from where you are, right? I don't know how much you're making 10k, 20k, 50k, I don't know, right? But still there's a next level waiting for you in your consulting business. Now, for that reason, this video is there, that why you're not able to do it, because you're not focusing from either one of those or either 5 of those things that I'm going to tell you. So these are the 5 things. The first is lead generation. That means how you are going to generate leads. Second is lead nurture. How you are going to nurture your leads. Third is selling system. How you are going to sell to those people. Fourth is client retention. How long will they stay with you? And the fifth is client ascension. How you are going to sell them the next product that you have, right? So these are the 5 systems that you need to focus on. Now notice the word system that I use in the selling thing, right? For every 5 of those, you need to have a system in place. A system is something which is predictable and consistable. That means you do X number of things and you get Y results, and you can predict that. So if you do X, you get Y. If you do 2X, you get 2Y. So you can predict that. You need to have some kind of system for that, right? Now, the 5 things that I'm going to tell you, the first is lead generation. What is the system right now you're having in your business which can predictably generate leads for your business? No matter how small is the number, no matter how big is the number. Do you have a specific system? If you don't, then you're basically dead on the first spot itself. And it's a big problem in your business. Maybe for the second, maybe for the third. But you need to find out which is the thing which is not able to let you go to the next level. So for first thing, that is lead generation, we have something known as organic attraction model. That means how to generate leads organically for your business without doing ads, without buying expensive softwares, or without spamming people. This is what we teach in our system, right? The second thing is lead nurture. How you are nurturing your leads right now, right? We use email marketing to nurture our leads. Do you have a predictable system to nurture leads? And you know how many people will raise their hand and at least say they are interested for your thing? The third thing is a selling system. So we have a selling system in our place. So we have a conversion rate of around 60%. So every 10 people that come on a call with us, we close 6 of them. Do you have some kind of system for that? The fourth thing is client retention. How you are retaining your clients. Is your client even sticking with you around for 1 week? Because our clients basically stick from period of 1 week to 2 months at least. Right? And when you have a 2-month period with your client, you build a next level of relationship which you cannot build in the 1 week period. And the fifth is client ascension. What you are doing right now so that you can take them from the current level, which is, let's say you sold a program for 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, whatever, and you can sell the next product for 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever you want, right? Do you have a system in place to ascend your client to the next level? These are the 5 things that you need to focus on. And even if one of them is not working properly, basically your consulting business will stop at the level which you are, right? So if you want help with 5 those, I'm ready to help you. For that, what you need to do is, I'm providing a free training on 3 secrets how to grow your consulting business from scratch to 6 figures without ads, without expensive softwares, and without a lot of overhead, right? What I'm teaching in this training is a 20-minute video where I'll tell you those 3 secrets which will help me go to 6 figures, right? And without a lot of work, without a lot of overhead and all these things. What you need to do is just click on the link in the description. There's a landing page over there. Put your name, number, email, and you'll get the training, right? And after the training, if you feel like we can help you, we'll just come on a call. We'll see if we can help you, and let's see how we can take this forward. Thanks.